In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AvaTrade signals. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your AvaTrade account is go to the very left-hand side and click on this button which says Signals when you hover over it. Once you click on that, you are now inside Signals, and you first have to select the signals you would like to basically view. So here, you can go under All, Crypto, Forex, Commodities, whatever you want to use. So just click on the one that interests you the most. And then, of course, here you'll be able to see different symbols, types, stop losses, entry prices, and then take profits, as well as the dates on which signals have been produced, together with timestamps over here. And then you can just select the one you like. So for example, if I go to this Bitcoin USD one over here, you can click on here. It's going to open up the chart for that specific symbol or instrument. And then here you can just view the signal if you want to. And the signal is going to open up in this side panel which says signal details. You can see all about it, you can see what it was provided by, and then you can of course go ahead and take action on it. So if you think it's actually a good signal, what you could do is you could just go over here and click on either sell at or buy at over here down below. So these buttons, you can select whatever you want to do. This type here is buy, so I'm gonna go buy. And over here, it's going to take you inside the order entry where you can just go ahead and legit just click on this button down here, and you basically have taken that signal, okay? So that's how you do it. That's how easy it is to use AvaTrade signals. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.